Our tools within Assess and Work allow teachers to mark faster and give feedback quicker. The Quizmaker tool is a powerful resource all teachers will have access to. You can generate from either a prompt or by uploading a Word document, PowerPoint or a PDF. With an AI prompt, you select your curriculum of choice, then your year group, followed by the subject and the topic. You can then create up to 20 questions. Once you're ready, click Generate. The quiz is then visible, but you can also download it as a PowerPoint or as a CSV file. Once you've answered each question, you can then click on Show All Answers to see if you are correct or not. If you download it as a PowerPoint, this is visible on a separate page. Before we move on to the next video, make sure to check out all the tools in this section. The next video is then on how you can use the GivEducation tools in creating resources.